If you're getting Roku error code 004, you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the Roku device and the router. The Roku error code 004 typically indicates an update error that can be caused by the network connectivity issue. When you get such an error, it prevents the device from successfully downloading and installing a software update. The first thing you can do to fix the error is restart your Roku device and the modem or router. Unplug the Roku, your modem and your router. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes. Then plug them back in and try the update again. If this doesn't work, go to the next method. Method 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Roku has a strong Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection with sufficient bandwidth to download the update. You can check the internet speed on another device like your PC by visiting speedtest.net. If the internet speed is slow, you can contact your service provider. Method 3. Try connecting to a different network. You can also shift to a different network and see if that works for you. If you have access to a different Wi-Fi connection, then switch to that. You can also choose an Ethernet connection as it ensures a more stable connection. Also, make sure the Ethernet cable is properly connected and there is no loose connection. You can disconnect your Ethernet cable from all the other sources and connect it to some other device on another internet connection to check it. Method 4. Change the software update server. Access the Roku secret menu and change the software update server. Press home 5 times, then fast forward 3 times and rewind 2 times. This will open the update and reset menu. Select Cycle Software Update Server and if available, change it from beta to release. Method 5. Reconnect the network. For this, go to Roku settings from the home screen. Then go to Network. Then select Setup Connection. Next, select Wireless. Wait till the scan completes. Select your network and enter the password correctly when prompted. Once done, select Connect to proceed. Method 6. Reset connection. Go to Settings, then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Network Connection Reset, then select Reset Connection. Wait till the process is complete. Method 7. Use an Ethernet connection. You can try connecting to a wired connection as this provides a more stable connection and this can fix the error. Make sure there is no loose connection. You can also try connecting the device to a mobile hotspot instead of the home Wi-Fi network to get past the network error. Now check if this could fix the issue. Method 8. Manually checking for updates. Here is how to manually check for software and channel updates. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Scroll up or down and select Settings. Select System. Select System Update. The System Update screen displays the current software and build version along with the date and time of the latest update. Select Check Now to manually check for updates. If there is new software available or there are updates for your channels, then your Roku player will download and install them automatically. And once completed, your Roku player will reboot. Method 9. Perform a factory reset on your Roku device. Perform a factory reset on your Roku device. This will clear any corrupted system files that may be causing the update issue. To do so, navigate to Settings, then head to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. This will erase all your settings and channels. So be sure to note down any important information before proceeding. Method 10. Seek help from Roku support. If the above steps don't work, contact Roku support. They may be able to provide further troubleshooting or a replacement device if there is a hardware issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix Roku error code 004. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solve your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.